Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning my social media planner, which is the classic size happy planner. And this particular planner is called New Day. It was released last year. It was an 18-month, so it's going to be finishing this December. Anyhow, we are planning for May 24th through the 30th, so the last week of May. So last week of May 2021. Can you believe how quickly the time flies by? I decided to use one of those new sticker books that I just purchased. This one is called Unicorn, and it's from the Shine Sticker Studio. These are so lovely. They're so much fun and completely different. So I am stepping out of my own comfort zone to do this. I'm going to be using some boxes for videos. This is my social media planner, so this is where all of the video planning happens. I am so excited about this one. It is so adorable, right? Look at this. It is so cute. So I wanted to go ahead and capture the cuteness of these stickers in my planner. I really love this. How bright and colorful it is, and like I said, normally it's not my style at all. But let's see what I can come up with. So I'm just adding boxes upon boxes. This upcoming week will be busy with videos as it is a new month. So in addition to my regular sticker planning for weeks, I am going to be also doing a monthly and a currently, as always. And of course a flip through of my May planner when May finishes up. So I'm trying to decide on the stickers. Look how busy that bottom is, but I really love the colors and how fun and colorful they are. I'm going to pull out my tweezers and work with some tweezers as I do want to capture some of the smaller stickers. First and foremost, I'm going to add this beautiful, really fun washi, right? Because how can you not when this washi is so like happy and bright, and it makes me so excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep adding some stickers into this plan. I'm going to add these star ones on top. I think these will go perfect. Oh, the sticker is going down by itself. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that right through in between that purple one and put the rest of it back, and then take the other strip and put it on the other side. This is already adding so much color to my spread, and I am just grabbing the Capital Chic Designs this storage sticker book, because then I can add all of these pieces that are extra onto that book, and I think that's going to be my sticker graveyard. I think it's really good to be able to put those away without knowing that they're going to curl up, because that's usually the issue I have. They curl up in the original book and then they're stuck to the page prior and they're ruined. This way they will be perfect. Okay, I wanted to thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you are brand new, welcome. I am so happy you found me. Hopefully you like it enough to subscribe. And I'm just adding my to-dos and priorities as page flags to cover up the current prompts. And this is crooked, so let me try again and make it a little bit more straight and see what that looks like. Yay! Okay, this looks great. I'm really happy with the way this looks. This is completely different from what I normally do. And it doesn't have florals, which is another thing that I normally don't do. So I'm gonna add these lovely check boxes into these. So one is usually for my YouTube schedule, the other one is for my Instagram posts. So that's how I've been doing it. It's been working pretty great for me, and I think I'm gonna continue doing so. I am going to grab all of the colors from the different stickers, because look how bright and colorful this is. Oh, this is perfect. It's crooked, so let me peel this up. These actually are a little bit more sticky than the Happy Planner ones, so if you're peeling them up like me without undo this time, you might want to be careful to make sure you don't rip the page. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab each icon, each color of the icon. There's a little book at the bottom, so I'm gonna grab all of them and distribute them throughout the page as my to-do bullet points. Like this. And I'm gonna kind of play with the colors and add different ones all over to make sure it's beautiful and balanced. I really enjoy balancing. I do need another box before I decide where to put the to-dos, but I would like a rainbow one, not necessarily, I can't necessarily find them, so let me see if I can add this one. It's like a beautiful green one that is with a rainbow inside. Maybe that will match. Okay, and I'm covering up the date just a bit, but I will know what date it is, so it doesn't really bug me too much, and I can take my pen and add the missing lines of the 26th and the Wednesday. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a shine bright, and then I'm gonna start playing with these little characters. They're so adorable. Look at this unicorn. So I'm gonna add like different little characters into here and kind of play around with making a little scene. So we have one little girl riding the unicorn, one of them hugging it, and then maybe I'll just add a loose unicorn like this, and then I can add a rainbow. These are pretty hard to get off. And I'm gonna add the little comet with the rainbow at the end too. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. And there's another page with little characters on a clear page like this too. So I'm just gonna mark that, and when I'm done with these, I'll add the other ones. Look at this little girl. So this sticker box is empty. I'll just add her, and there we go. It's so cute. I'm gonna add one that's kind of in between the boxes. I'll add that little unicorn right there. Yeah, these are just way too cute. And I'm making it super busy, and I know I'm making it super busy, but I really don't mind because I think it's so adorable. So I'm gonna take something different, and I'm gonna add the two bubbles and then add them to Tuesday. Yeah, I think that looks really good too. And then now I can add some bows. And I think that will add some cuteness to it as well. Like I said, I really am enjoying these stickers so much. I don't mind making it super busy because it's adorable. I'm gonna add a few of those little smiling clouds and the little ears with the horn for a unicorn. And I'll add a couple characters to the other side because I think that's adorable as well. And a little cloud. And I'm gonna add a little cloud in between those. Oh my gosh, this is like cuteness overload. Let me add that little girl right there. And another one. I think these are, like I said, these little characters make me so happy. And it looks so busy. I think it's going to look much different once I start writing in it. I do enjoy a busy spread occasionally, but this is obviously cuteness overload. If you like little characters like this, you definitely need one of these books for sure. So now I'm just going to be filling in the spread. So I'm just gonna take these stars off, and I'm gonna spread them all around the spread, this particular spread. And I think that'll be it. I know it is extremely busy, but it also makes me so extremely happy to look at this. It is like making me smile even as I'm planning, and I can imagine it's going to make me smile every day that I write in this. So if you like little characters, like I said, and little emojis with smiley faces like these, this is such a perfect sticker book. Just filling in all of the little gaps with these and adding additional pop of color. They're already so busy, but oh my gosh. There. One more. Okay, that's it. I think I am going to leave it be. It is so overloaded, but I really love it. Thank you for joining me and watching me make this spread, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Again, this was the Shine Sticker Studio with Unicorn.